Hey guys, today's video, I just wanted to show you something that I picked up recently in the Essence sale. I wanted to show you because I've never heard anyone talk about this purse before, and I was really impressed with the quality. So if you watched my Essence sale recommendations, I mentioned this particular bag. So it is the Philip Lim, the Odita Lattice pouch bag. So you can wear it as a pouch without a chain or with. So I'll show it to you. And I ended up getting this for $355 Canadian. So for you Americans, that's about like $274. Normally this bag would be over $1,000. Now seeing it in real life, it is definitely worth full price. And yeah, I'll show you the color I got. Actually, in my Essence sale video, I mentioned that this was probably my least favorite color, but I changed my mind. On camera, it shows up a little bit different, but it comes in a really nice dust bag. And yeah, it's a lot darker in person. I'm going to show a picture of it when I unbox it. So it's this. So it comes in black, white, tan, and this color is called pomegranate. In real life, I have a light on right now, so it's showing up a bit more reddy orange. It's a really dark burgundy, like a Bordeaux color. Yeah, and it just looks really nice. Sorry, I'm just in my bedroom right now, but so it has the basket weave, kind of like the Bottega type purses, but for a fraction of the price. So I got this for a few $100s, and the Bottega ones are like $3,000 to $6,000. So you can see on the Bottega website, I mean, these bags are absolutely beautiful, but with tax, they would be over $6,000 Canadian, which is crazy. And then some of the more affordable ones are still very expensive. You know, that's going to be over $4,000. I mean, they are very beautiful, but this looks very similar. Again, over $3,000. And I would say this is a probably pretty similar size to the Philip Lim one, but it's still a lot more money, over $3,000. And to be honest, I like the strap better on mine. So I think this is a beautiful bag. It looks gorgeous, very stylish. I like how the bottom is sewn. It's almost like folded like a present. So you can take the gold strap off, and the handle has this. You could wear it on your wrist if you want. I just think it's too big. And it has like a nice zippered pocket there. And the inside is just black. But it looks really good over your shoulder. I'll show it to you later too. I really like it. And I was thinking too, this is a good type of purse. Like, say if you're on an interview, it doesn't have a logo, so it still makes you look very stylish, but I don't think a lot of people would know what this is, because you don't want to be, you know, come across as like too show-offy, depending the type of setting that you're in, you know what I mean? So you could wear it like this. You can just like tuck it under your arm, just like a clutch. But yeah, I wanted to mention this because, like I said, I hadn't seen anyone mention it. It is a beautiful, like soft, smushy calfskin leather. You might have to be careful because it probably could scratch if you're not careful, but I would definitely recommend it. And I'll try to insert some pictures or video of what the true color is because it's coming off a little bit too bright. I think this is why this color did go on sale, because it doesn't photograph that well. So here's the pouch, you guys. It is beautiful. So some websites, it was showing up a little bit more of like an actual red, but it's like a deep burgundy, like kind of like a Bordeaux color, like a rich wine color, which is perfect for fall and winter in my opinion. Beautiful gold chain. There's the handle. It's really quite big. The leather is very soft and supple. It's beautiful. I'll show you the bottom. I kind of like the detail on the bottom too, just the stitching, how it's like folded in, almost like a present. And then the strap is removable, and there is a handle as well. So if you want to wear that on your wrist, it's kind of, in my opinion, it's maybe like a little bit too big to wear, but Hopefully the color is picking up. And then on the inside, it's just black. It has, with gratitude, that's nice. And then a nice little pocket there. Beautiful. It smells nice, nice dust bag. I absolutely love this. I'm so excited. I went ahead and bought this. Beautiful. You could also change the strap on here. So I was thinking maybe I could go on Etsy and get one of those, like the bigger resin linked straps. I'll put a picture up on the screen. So I'll take this off. So it just easily comes off. And then that's what it looks like without. The black one has silver zipper and chain. I think the white has gold. So that's what it would look like without. I never know what to do with that. If there's zippers that stick out, do you guys fold it in or do you leave it out? I don't know. Maybe I'll fold it in. And so you could use it just like that, and then you can tuck it under. I think this purse would be really good to take on a plane too, because it's kind of like the perfect size. It still fits a ton in here and it stands up on its own. It doesn't tip or flop over. I really like it. I have seen the Bottega one in person, and to be honest, I don't know, this is definitely giving it a run for its money, and definitely like compared to the price, because I know a lot of those like cheap, like, you know, like Zara or H&M, they're gonna knock off the Bottega, the basket weave, but it just ends up looking cheap in my opinion. This is still affordable, but it's still very good quality. It's still designer, but you're not paying the price of Bottega. I just find, like, you know, if you're gonna spend $5,000 or $6,000 on a bag, put that towards Hermes or Chanel. You will probably make money in the future. Bottega, I don't think, in my opinion, it's not gonna hold its value. So definitely would suggest this, and I'm mentioning it because this is on sale, this particular color, in certain websites right now, and unfortunately the black and the white in this purse on Essence went back up to full price. So if you see something in an Essence sale, you really have to grab it right away, because a lot of people don't realize, like, they don't keep discounting it till it's gone. A lot of the times it'll go on sale and then it'll go back to full price. So if you see something in the future, just snag it. You can always do a return if you're not crazy about it. But yeah, I would highly recommend this, and I'll try and show it to you later when I go out for the day, when I'm actually wearing it. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and if you're in the market for a new purse, I would really recommend this one, and you can maybe get it at a good price point during Boxing Day sales. And Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, and happy holidays, and have a good New Year.